Hey guys, Liz with the Busy Bee here, back with a new crochet tutorial. Just look at this project. It's jumbo size, and I love it. It's so much fun and easy to work up. And today, I'll show you how to make these grapes in plush yarn here. As always, you can find the full written pattern for the entire plushie in the link below. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing today are your yarn needle, stitch marker, scissors, and your crochet hook. Today I'll be using a size 8mm or L11. You'll also be needing your yarn. I'll be using a light color today, but you can use any color that you wish. And don't forget your polyfill. Okay, let's get started. We're going to begin with our light purple color yarn and our crochet hook. Start by making a magic ring of 6 single crochet. So taking that yarn, we're going to wrap that end away from us. Go into that magic ring and pull up that loop there. Yarn over and pull through for that chain 1. And then we're going to make 6 single crocheting. So into that magic ring, we're going to pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on our hook. Now repeat that 5 more times. Once we have 6 single crochet, we can go ahead and close that magic ring. And insert the stitch marker. For round 2, we're going to increase each of the 6 stitches. So just make 2 single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. At the end of round 2, we should have 12 single crochet. For round 3, we're going to increase in that first stitch, and then single crochet once in the next. Now repeat this for the remaining 10 stitches, starting again with an increase. After round 3, we should have 18 single crochet. For round 4, we're going to increase in that first stitch, and then single crochet once in the next 8 stitches. Now repeat the same pattern for the remaining 9 stitches, starting again with that increase. At the end of round 4, we should have 20 single crochet. For rounds 5 through 8, we're going to single crochet once in each of the next 20 stitches. At the end of round 5, we should still have 20 single crochet. Since the next few rounds are just going to be a repeating pattern of single crochets, I'll speed up the video here and meet you back here when I'm at the end of round 8. Okay, so here I went ahead and finished round 8. This is what the grape should look like so far. For round 9, we're going to decrease using the first 2 stitches. So go into that first stitch, pull up a loop, go into that second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops in the hook. Now single crochet once in each of the next 8 stitches. Repeat this pattern for the remaining 10 stitches, starting up again with a decrease. At the end of round 9, we should have 18 single crochet. For round 10, we're going to decrease using the first 2 stitches. Now make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern for the remaining 15 stitches, starting again with a decrease. At the end of round 10, we should have 12 single crochet. Now we can stuff the grape fully. For round 11, we're going to decrease using 2 stitches at a time for each of the next 12 stitches. At the end of round 11, we should have 6 single crochet. Now we can fasten off, leaving a bit of a tail. Using this tail, we're going to sew the remaining hole closed. So taking our yarn needle, we're going to thread our yarn on, and then go through each of the front loops. Not the full stitch here, just this front loop. Just like this. Once we've gone through all 6 stitches, we can pull tight and then hide that remaining tail. Okay, and now we went ahead and finished one grape. This is how it should look so far. We're just going to repeat that same process to create a total of 21 grapes, starting up again from round 1. So go ahead and meet you back here when I have all 21 grapes done. Okay, and here we go. I have all 21 grapes done. I went ahead and sewed them onto the stem. I like to create a bit of a chain here just for extra spacing, but you can sew them on however you like. I also made this leaf here just to go along with that stem. I think it adds that really cute touch. And don't forget, you can find the link to the written pattern to finish up the grape bunch below. Also, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun projects coming your way. There are so many great tutorials already up on the channel. Head on over and check them out. Let me know what you think. I love to connect with you all and read your comments. Alright guys, until next time. Bye!